I'm sure you guys probably remember for Tuson's birthday, Ari gifted him a $20,000 check so he could get a new car. Well, it seems like he didn't air it out and he had to start a GoFundMe so he can get his new car. And not only that, he basically exposed the fact that even though he was on Ari's cooking show, he was not getting paid for it.
What you gonna get for my birthday?
So the GoFundMe says, help Tuson recover from a heartbreaking betrayal. Hello everyone. I never thought I'd be in this position, but I'm reaching out for help after a heartbreaking betrayal. My best friend promised me $20,000 for a down payment on a car as a birthday gift. Trusting her completely, I went ahead with the start of the purchase, only to have her not give me anything. Despite my best efforts and hopes, I did not receive any payment, which actually, after the camera stopped rolling and I did my heartfelt speech followed by a heartfelt text, and her response was, I love you too, but I have a disclaimer. Then went silent. After that, I received the call and I was told it was really actually $10,000. She wanted to tell me, but they said she couldn't risk and not getting a good reaction out of me for the show and the internet. In the end, I received $0 from my rock. Y'all know that's what he calls Ari. It was all clout and the media to benefit her financial gain and reputation. Now, your generosity can make a world of a difference. Any contribution, no matter how small, is deeply appreciated. I am so very grateful for your support and kindness during this challenging time. Thank you for taking your time to read my story and for any support you can offer. With gratitude, Tuson. So it went from $20,000, then it went down to $10,000, and then it went down to $0. Now, if you guys remember a couple of years ago, Ari got Moneybagg Yo 22 acres of land, and we haven't seen Moneybagg Yo do anything with them 22 acres of land that Ari allegedly got him. At the time, I felt like it was for show anyway. I felt like doing something like that is like, okay, it's for show. At the end of the day, Ari is an influencer and a businesswoman, so I feel like it was for show. Like, let me get him 22 acres of land, or say that I got him 22 acres of land. And I know everybody's going to be talking about it on social media. It's going to be a trending topic. So I feel like that's what happened with this Tuson situation. Tuson then took to Twitter and said, y'all tweaking. When the 20K was given to me, I came to the internet and was all excited, and y'all was happy for me. So now I come back and give y'all an update. I'm a bad friend. LOL, y'all crazy. Well, if y'all mad about that, just wait. So then someone said, so Tuson ain't get paid from the cooking show or something? Because how you can't go get your own car? Like, if they was getting hella views, he could have at least get paid for the videos he was in. And Tuson responded and said, I mean, you would think so, right? So he's basically insinuating that Ari did not pay him for any of the videos that he was in. I don't see how Tuson was getting paid nothing. Maybe he was like, oh, I'm cool with not getting paid. Maybe I'll just take the exposure. And now that she didn't give him the $20,000 he thought he was going to get, he wants to expose her. Because other than that, I don't understand. Like, how are you doing something for free? Like, we all know Ari has money. She has different businesses. She could have at least paid him for the one business venture that he was in. And not only that, after all of this was exposed, Ari decided to post this video of her wearing a Richard Mille. Well, you guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. I'm moving on to the next topic. Young Miami is out here laughing at Joe Budden. So it says Joe Budden's hit record Pump It Up is officially certified gold. It released in 2003. So Young Miami put some laughing emojis. Joe Budden responded to Young Miami and said it would be too easy a ... And a Young Miami responded and said, another one bites the dust, remember? You was just celebrating when you thought I took an L. I can laugh. You was just laughing at me. So let's laugh. So it seems like Young Miami's trying to say, baby, she's getting the last laugh because he finally got a gold plaque like 20 years later. So moving on to the next topic, you guys know I uploaded a video about Cardi B apartment hunting and how she explained that she has a house in New Jersey, but she wants an apartment in New York City because that's where she's working at now. So she was on Instagram Live or TikTok Live, and she decided to address it.
But I don't like how blogs be like, yeah, Cardi's getting an apartment after a divorce from Offset. Like, cause I'm not getting no apartment because I'm getting divorced. Like, I'm getting an apartment because, look, right now I'm in the city, and right now I'm in the city, right? And I need to go take a shower. And I'm so tired of going to my engineer's gym bathroom to take a shower, or sometimes I have to fucking rent a hotel to take a shower. Also, my label, I'm gonna be more closer with my label, so I'm gonna be coming to have meetings with my label like twice a week, and on top of that, like I'm trying to get an office out here, so I just need an apartment in the city. I don't understand why I have. You know what the thing about it is? Also, a lot of people have this impression that I live in Atlanta. I don't live in Atlanta. I don't live in Atlanta. I have a house in Atlanta. I don't live there. I only go to Atlanta like 3 or 4 times a year. And probably I go for a week, maybe less. I never liked Atlanta. I tried to move in Atlanta in 2018 and I lived there for like 6 months and I hated it. I don't have not one friend in Atlanta and I don't have not even one family member in Atlanta. So I just don't like Atlanta. Yes, I have a house there. Me and Officer bought a house in Atlanta and I just can't make it work. I don't like Atlanta. And we still have that's trying to spread that shit. First, let me make it very fucking clear for all of you bum ass bitches and you fucking bum ass fucking bum ass niggas. Me and also bought the house in 2019, right? Right? She's like, what? It was like 5.5, 5 point something, 5.5. Um, Now the house is worth $7 million because it's 6 acres. Is in fucking practically Buckhead, like right on practically Buckhead. It's one of the most expensive fucking streets. If I want to sell that house today, me and also could sell that shit in a blink of an eye because everybody always want to buy our fucking house. Just due to this fact that we're not really there. Just due to the fact that we're not really there. And but we don't want to sell our house. Hold on. But we don't want to sell our house. And if I ever want to sell my house, I'll just sell the other portion, like the portion that I pay for, to Offset, because he's the one that really likes the Atlanta house. I don't really care much for it, but since y'all want to play, right? Since y'all want to fucking play. Oh, by the way, I have Offset uncle doing a video of all my cars, bitch, because I still got all my fucking cars, bitch. Each and every single one of them. I still got my fucking Lambo, bitch. I still got my motherfucking. I still got what was that fucking car that also bought me? I still got my fucking Lambo truck, bitch. I still got my fucking Maybach, bitch. In the New York house, I got my first car, my Bentley car. That car, I need to trade it or sell it because that's it. I still got my motherfucking Rolls Royce truck that Offset bought me before these bitches even got one. I really use that shit. That shit's in my house collecting dust. Still got all my fucking cars. And you wanna know something? You know what, something? I might just drop 200,000 on a fucking necklace this week, maybe next week. I've been talking to my jeweler, Pristine. I want something real fucking special. I want something real fucking